So you want to work with the energy of the fire horse. The fire horse is like a wild, unbridled colt racing across the plains, and it's been powered by fire and air, the two elements that are like partners that set each other alight. The air feeds the growth of the fire and powers the speed of the wild fire horse as it races across the arid plains littered with the debris that the wood snake has left behind after the surfacing of all that was hidden and needed to be burned away from the previous year. So in 2026, we have these elements that are very, very present. Earth that is arid and dry and littered with debris from the wood. And we have air and fire powering 2026's fire horse. And space or ether becomes the alchemical container that holds all of this in and creates an alchemical conflagration. And what is absent? What is absent is the element of water, the yin, the feminine aspect of compassion, of balance, to water down the yang energies of the fire horse. And what does that mean? It means that the fire horse will burn everything in its path. And for us to work mindfully with the fire horse this year, we need to cultivate our own roots into earth and our own anchoredness into what provides us with strength and resilience. We need to find our own access to our own emotion, our own water and nourishment and balance, and be in touch with our emotions. And between the 17th of February and the 3rd of March, the 15 days of the Chinese Lunar New Year, you may have sensed people being very in touch with big emotions and their inner teenagers making impulsive decisions or just having big feelings, going a little intense as the new year brings in the intensity of the new energies. And therefore we need to also cultivate our own inner light, our own inner fire at the navel center, our kunda, our oven, so that we are rooted in our own light, our own strength, and in tap with our own sources of nourishment, that we can work mindfully and set intentions of how our energy will be applied, rather than being dragged willy-nilly across the plains by the unbroken, fierce and free wild horse that will cause chaos and destruction across all in front of it. Work well with the fire horse this year. It's gonna be a wild ride. If you'd like help in finding ways to work effectively with fire horse energies for you, drop me a line and we can chat.